up, y'all? We got a guava cream cheese pastry from Boston Food and Bakery in historic Ybor, Tampa, Florida. Open since 1915, y'all.
That's a long time. So what do you think?
Oh my God. I've had it before, but I forgot how good it is. The guava, unreal, so fresh, so sweet, so hard, and the cream cheese, right on point. Flaky, fluffy, everything you want. So good.
Hey, bro. You know, I've never had one. Can I try some?
Come on, get them in your mouth, bro.
That's delicious. Tell us how it was.
It's one of the best I've ever had.
Wait, you tried this?
But because it's a little dry, you gotta give it a 9. 9 out of 10.
Wait,
9 out of 10.
He did not just submit this.
Gosh. Oh my God. Sir, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my God, I have to do CPR. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. He's not breathing! Somebody call 911! Ready? Staying alive. Staying alive. Staying alive. Staying alive.
Don't ever be embarrassed of your parents.
What?
No matter where they came from or what they started. Because you only get one parent. So don't ever get embarrassed of them.
What?
I used to be embarrassed of you.
Motherfucking what?
But not no more. Because you're my only parent, so.
I'm your only parent, motherfucker?
Well, I got my mom, but.
Motherfucker, I'm your only dad.
Exactly. So that's why I'm saying never be embarrassed of your parents. Never hold grudges against them because you only get one set. And you never know what can happen.
So what are you tripping this morning?
I'm not tripping. I'm just saying this morning.
What
all right.
What the fuck you saying?
Everybody have a good, beautiful,
So
blessed
now
Monday.
you like your daddy? Or what?
No.
Or your
I
dad?
mean, you're cool.
Fuck you. Get your ass, pendejo.
Oh. I didn't.
Affirmative.
Oh.
You there.
He don't belong in the traffic
Excuse me, citizen. Let me see your identification. Absolutely, citizen.
Oh no. Yeah.
Good.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. He gonna.
Let's calm down.
Hey, sorry, we don't know where the knives are, do you?
The knives?
Yes, the knives.
Oh, sorry. They haven't told me where they're at since I escaped the mental institution.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know where they're
Yeah, okay.
Okay, sorry.
I swear to God, I hate every single person in this damn school.
What about...
I hate all of you!
Damn, this TV's real nice.
Yeah, this TV bussin'.
Yeah, well, it killed my whole family, so...
Tell me that you're extremely wealthy without telling me that you're extremely wealthy.
I know that truck. I ain't no stranger. I know that truck. It's a Ford fucking Ranger.
Y'all know what time it is. It's motherfucking night time. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to. Close the goddamn door!
How to walk across the ocean during the winter. There you go. All I gotta do is just walk on ice. Oh my goodness. Whoa, the ice is so thick. Look. I'm like literally. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. I hope I don't. Whoa, look how it's cracking. I can't believe it. Oh, did you see that? Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, I am pretty impressed. Oh, you can see all the cracks. Okay. Well, what do you... Okay, if you want to attract the girls, all you gotta do is break the ice, right? Let's do that. Here we go. That's how you do it. Whoa. Oh my... Oh, I did it. That's how you attract the girls. You just break the ice. Whoa, look. Whoa, so much water coming up.
When you and your homegirl play the boys in basketball,
Period. Tell her friend. You're gonna get our nails done. Like, for real. I like to be fucked like a slut. Come on, daddy, let me eat it up. Come on. Shut the fuck up. Here you go, bitch. Oh, bitch, come on, nigga. Bitch, I'm here. I'm here. Green. How you do it? How? Bitch, hold on. Come meet his ass. Meet his ass, sis. Meet his ass, sis.
Talent that I have that not many people know about is that I can sit with my laptop in front of me for hours, like hours, with my homework on the screen, and I won't press a single on the laptop. All I'll do is I'll just run my finger on the trackpad every once in a while so that the laptop doesn't turn off, but I won't do shit.
Leave it for tomorrow. Leave it, because look, you see the cloud, how go like that? It's going to rain. No, huele, I smell it, mira, I smell it, look, it's raining. What? I told you. All you have to do, look, see like that? It's going to rain, forget it.
Tell me you went to a really toxic high school without telling me you went to a really toxic high school.
So shut up, Train. I moved high schools halfway through school. Oh my God, shut up. And
Dad, can you come here? I think something's stuck. Huh? I think something's stuck. Where? In there, just take a look. Can you reach that? Try to get it for me. Can you reach in? Go in.
Well, it's stuck. What the fuck, man? Why you doing it? You okay?
What?
Why you hit my mom?
I seen it in the video where someone was stuck in there.
Why you take... Fuck, because you put too much glue there, that's why. I told you too many times, man. Don't put too much, that's why. Okay, you know it, man.
Why are you blushing? Did you like it?
This one? What the fuck, why I love it? You okay?
You're blushing.
Aaron, what you used to call this water?
Niagara.
No, what you used to call this water?
Niagara.
That's what you call it now. What you used to call this water?
Niagara.
No. This fool used to call it Niagara.
Mom, when I borrowed Dad's boat, it looks like I let it hit the dock a little bit too hard, and the left rear looks a little cracked.
Okay, wait a minute. Daddy let you borrow it?
Yeah.
Who'd you go out with? What do you mean crack?
Just the guys.
No, not the
The
guys.
left rear.
I don't know the guys. Someone's gonna have to pay for this. Who was driving it? You were, I'm hoping.
Yeah, that doesn't look too good.
But you have experience. You know better. You know better. Oh my God. Who's Justin?
Tell me your parents spoiled you growing up without telling me your parents spoiled you growing up. I'll go first. So my parents thought that I wasn't opening enough gifts as a kid. So to fix that, they got a divorce. And now I get to celebrate every holiday twice. Once at my mom's, once at my dad's. It's the best.
Good morning. Isn't this a wonderful day to learn? What's that? This is the seat your friend sits in? Oh, well, I don't remember the teacher giving us assigned seats, and I don't see your friend's name on the seat, so I can sit here. You can tell your friend to go sit somewhere else. Hi, miss. I hope you're having a wonderful morning. What are we doing today? A 40-minute lecture? Yes, that sounds like so much fun. Hey, pay attention. I saw you staring at that wall for 20 seconds, which means that you were daydreaming and not paying attention to the teacher. Do you know how much work she puts into these presentations? Unbelievable. Excuse me, miss. Did you see that? They were daydreaming, which means they were not paying attention to your wonderful presentation. And I am so sorry for that. You need to give them an F for the day.
Babe, I think it's time that we break up.
What? No, why?
It's been a really long time, and there's just a lot of damage.
It can't be that damaged.
No, the damage is irreversible.
It's barely even scratched.
When you open a snap from your best friend.
Class, so be sure to open a laptop.
Fuck me!
What was that?
Ladies, I need you to Facebook message me right now. What the heck?
You want some candy?
No.
Well, how about a Subway sandwich?
Where's my sandwich?
Ready for a little 6-inch?
Huh?
Watch how they eat. All guys, shovel the...
Yo, Jack, who's your favorite YouTuber, bro?
Mr. B6000. Whoa, whoa.
Hey, can you take a picture of me? Alright.
Take a picture with you?
Yeah, alright, stand here and go like this.
No, that looks like drugs. No.
It's not drugs.
What's it mean?
There's ice in your veins. Just do this. It's not drugs.
Why is it? What's
Wait,
ice
get
in
in
your
the frame. It's a picture.
I don't want my. Can you let me do my makeup?
No, you don't need makeup, okay? You're naturally beautiful.
No, Owen, does this mean drugs?
It doesn't mean drugs.
I'm gonna look it up, and if it means drugs,
It doesn't mean drugs. Do this, okay? No, you have to.
Yo, me and my dad can talk to each other backwards. You guys ready? Watch this.
Shit, I need $1.39 for Arizona with tags.
You ever notice that when you hate someone, everything they do just pisses you off? Look at that bitch eating chicken. Why you eating chicken, bitch?
Nigga, where your mom at, nigga? Hey, nigga, where your mom at, nigga?
Yo, my dude, come in. If you answer this question, you get 5 seconds to grab whatever you want for free.
What happened?
If you answer this question, you get to grab whatever you want for free. 5 seconds. Alright, take off your mask so I can hear you. 5 times 5.
25.
Alright, go ahead. 5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
Huh?
What?
You good?
Yes, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, positive.
Alright. Go. No funny shit. Watching that video again make me feel like the crackhead.
Hello. Just remembered I can do this, so here's my one talent. It's time to play Wheel of Fortune.
My dad always says I'm so badass I can get anywhere without a GPS, but he's so stubborn. And we're lost. We're lost in the middle.
Oh my god, look at that Mustang. That is so badass.
It's so ugly.
No, it's not. Shit, you're ugly.
So we've been driving in circles.
No, we're not driving in circles.
And we all have to pee.
Because I'm not lost.
You're not lost?
I'm not lost.
He don't even know where we're
We are here.
GPS says we're 9 miles away.
GPS de tu corazón, tú lo sabes, se mira puede.
Starting route. We're lost. You don't know where we're going. You just made Mom put the GPS on.
I'm not putting it on. I don't.
Go straight forward.
No, I know where I'm going.
Time to take a huge dump. Here we go. Oh, got a black widow spider there. Just scoot him over. Few more friends over here. Scoot them over. Get out of here. Oh, got a snake on the toilet. Throw him in the shower. No big deal. And here we go. Oh.
What the fuck are you doing? Why? Go! Oh my god. Come the fuck. Oh my god, they're still throwing more. Holy this is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. Okay, didn't happen. Cool. And it just fucking fell out! Go faster! Quit throwing bowling balls! Jesus! And it's coming up. Ow. Oh my god. Quit fucking bowling! Oh my god! No, no, no! Ah! You make me so mad!
Ooh, honey, I'm so tired. I just gotta work. What in the world are you eating?
I got some spaghetti for myself.
Oh, yes. Let me get some of that.
Get out my spaghetti.
Well, can I at least have some salad?
Get out my salad.
Oh!
So leave now.
But, you know where you gonna be sleeping at tonight? Right here on this sofa.
At least I'll be full. Bye.
Are you in love? I am in love. Are you in love? I'm in love too. I agree.
Bro, this man bought some croissants. What the fuck?
To the guy I just delivered to, I seen your note that told me to hide your package from your children. Well, when I shook the box, it kind of sounded like small kid toys. So I'm just going to assume that your children are very, very small, and that they would be too short to look up and to see the package. So I hid it up top for you by your light next to your door. I hope this helps.
Oh my god, Niall. Oh my god, Niall!
Oh my.
Niall!
Holy
Oh.
When the food is busting on school time. Teacher, the food is busting.
Alright guys, let's rock and roll.
Fuck it, I'm hungry, bro. Let's see. I ain't got no food, bro. Yo, who the fuck put Michael Jackson in the freezer?
Hey, can I borrow your charger? No. Dude, come on, mine's not working. I said no. You're not even using it. I don't care. So I suppose you don't care if I do this? Dude, you're absolute trash. No, like you're literally such a pain. Mom really should have thought twice before keeping you. Yeah, I said it. You don't need it. And I need it. Yeah, you loser. What? For your own safety, get out of my house.
Alright, here's your brownie.
Thank you.
What the fuck?
What the?
Oh, no way. No way. Hey, Evan. Evan, we respect your boundaries, right?
No.
We don't respect your... Why don't we respect your boundaries?
What do you mean we don't respect your boundaries?
Dude, we literally... Wait, what? Ryan, what are you doing up there?
This is my loft now.
Oh, okay. Evan, we respect your boundaries.
I didn't even see him come in.
Yeah, we respect your boundaries, dude.
Uh-huh.
Oh, see, look at all these people respecting your boundaries. That wasn't even staged. He just walked in.
I'm respecting Evan's boundaries.
Yeah, your boundaries are respected.
Bitch, so I'm hungry and I don't want to make noise because everybody's fucking sleeping. So we're gonna taste test my dog food. The fuck? So we got bones wrapped in bacon, we got bacon, and we got chicken. Oh my god. Why is it? This shit good. This shit. What the fuck? Now let's taste the bacon. Why does it taste good? Maybe I'm probably fat. That's right. I'm probably just hungry. Biscuits with bacon. Let's go.